In this video, I will show you how to buy shoes on StockX. So it's actually pretty simple. To do this, you just want to go and open up StockX on your phone or on your desktop and then find the shoes that you want to buy. So you can just click search and then find them from here. But for example, if I just want to buy these, then here click on buy or bid. Now here select the size that you want to buy. For example, I'll take US 11 right here. And then you will already see the best price that is currently available. However, for express shipping, then you will need to pay more. However, if you don't want to pay this much, since for example other sizes right here are only $500, then what you could also do is again click buy or bid, select your size, and then from here click make an offer. Then set your price right here. For example, if I want to buy it for $525, then I can enter that right here. And it will say right now this price is not likely to match with a seller. And you can also just take the good bid one right here. And then if a seller that has these shoes in this size wants to sell them for that price, then they will accept the offer and then you need to pay them and then they will be shipped to your address that you can enter right here. Now in add payment method, you just want to go and select your payment method as well right here. Now after doing all of this, just click review bid, then enter your shipping address, and if you haven't done so yet, your payment method, and then go and confirm that you want to make that bid. And then once somebody accepts it, or if you're just going to pay the price that someone is already asking, then you will be able to buy them immediately. So now you know how to buy shoes on StockX. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.